In this video, I'm going to walk through an example where market opened with a big gap down, with many folks thinking that the market will continue to go downwards, but only to see market grinding higher the whole day. There are some signs you can use to determine the market direction and react accordingly. This is precisely what happened on May 23rd, the Friday, where we opened with a big gap down. Now, if you look at the chart, this is the SPY with the daily chart open here. And you can see from last several days, we have been moving up. And few days ago, we reached roughly this 595 level, right below 600. And there is a slight pullback in the market. Now, earlier this week, we have gone down roughly to this 581 level. We've been sitting on top of that 581 level. Now, as we open on Friday, market gap down to this 575 level. Now, why is this 575 level critical? Now, this was an important support level, important resistance level, and then we gap up above this level on 512. Now we are coming back to the same level again. Now let me also enable the SMAs on this chart as well. Now you can see this 200 SMA, which is this line here, and this is 20 SMA, and this is another one which is 100 SMA as well. All three are right at this 575 level. Now you can see various folks will be interested in trading this to the long side when you drop in a strong market with a pullback to this critical level. So not only 575 level was important on the chart from the support resistance perspective, but if you look at the EMAs, these EMAs were right at the 575 level as well. So this makes this level an important one. Now, instead of looking at daily chart, let's go the intraday chart. I'm going to show the 15-minute chart now. This is 15 minutes chart, and I'm going to enable the extended hours as well. Now you can see just prior to Friday open, right in the morning, early hours, there was pullback in the market. Now it was right around this 575. It dipped a little bit below, but it made a double bottom right around the market opening time. Now, if you see from this chart, there is the support level essentially holding with a double bottom formed. There is a possibility that market is respecting this level, and there is a possibility that the market can move up. I did not trade this particular ticker or SPY in this case, but I traded the individual names. But having a confidence in the overall market gives you confidence in trading the individual ticker as well. If you look here, the whole day market essentially reclaimed the VWAP. Let me actually enable the VWAP here. VWAP here is this red line. So after the market opened, it bounced off right at this 575 level, reclaimed VWAP, and then only to move higher and close this gap to the prior day lows. So this is quite clear and visible on the SPY. I also look at the ES level, ES future level, which are also the important ones to look at as well. So let me open the ES chart. Now it's a similar story on the ES chart. I drew a couple of lines here similar to the ones which you see in SPY, similar kind of philosophy here too. The green line is also an important level here where you saw it has held before. It broke out, went back in, then it found a resistance here at this 5770 level, and now it broke out a few days prior, and now it was coming back right at this 5770 level. Looking at now the 15-minute chart, you can see it was making a double bottom. After the double bottom, it just grinded all the way to the top, and it essentially closed the gap, and the gap was to the prior day low. This is all I had to share for this video. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.